Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to write integrals equation in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to write integrals equation in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Equation drop down menu. Then Insert New Equation. Then go to the Design menu. Then click the Integrals drop down menu. Then choose any integrals. Now I select the double integral. And we can see we write integrals equation. Then add a text. Now we can see we edit and write the integrals equation in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.